My name is Tyson Wood. I'm in grade 10 and I'm 16. Mum and Dad went to a taster night over at Flinders and they grabbed like a heap of brochures, and I woke up the next morning, saw them sitting on the dining table and had a flick through and thought I'd be keen to go to this school. Just the opportunities that the school opened up to you, like with the sporting opportunities, extracurricular activities and whatnot. The subjects I'm enjoying would have to be applied because it's more hands-on, design it, if what goes wrong, modify it, test it again, etc. Don't mind ag science, which keeps me interested and feels like I'm back on Flinders, getting my hands dirty and working. Well, when I was told I was off to boarding school, I thought, oh, this is going to be scary and whatnot, but you rock up and everyone's, hey, how you going, friendly, and it was a lot better than I thought because we're all a bit in the same boat.